Hello my friends, greetings to all of you. I hope you're doing good and today I want to wish you all the best for your CS Foundation results. 25th January at 11 a.m. the results are going to be announced and each subject wise marks will be declared, and I wish you all the best and hope you all people seeing this video, and I know you have worked very hard for your CS Foundation and I hope you all will clear it and enter into the executive level. All the best. So in today's video, just this announcement from the ICSI regarding the pre-examination test and one-day orientation program. This is for the June 2020 upcoming examination. Regarding this pre-examination test and also the one-day orientation program, already a video is in the channel. I request you to once go back to the channel, and if you are new to it, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates, and please share it with your friends so that they can also prepare well. I have given the link in the description box for the pre-examination test video and one-day orientation program video, so it will be easy for you to scroll it down and just go through the content in that. So what is the announcement made by the institute? First thing, it is for the pre-examination test. We know that the pre-examination test is for the new syllabus students of executive and professional program. You have to go to your e-learning portal, the ICSI, where you will be having your login ID credentials, and once you go into that, each module they will be multiple choice questions where you need to answer them depending upon the module which you want to appear for the June exam. If you want to apply both, you need to pass all the papers of the both modules for the executive and 3 modules for the professional. Unless you clear this pre-examination test, you will not be allowed to apply for the June 2020 session. So it is mandatory for you people to clear the pre-examination test in the e-learning portal of the ICSI. See, it has been given that you are required to successfully complete the online pre-examination test through the e-learning portal of the ICSI to become eligible for the enrollment for June 2020 session of CS Executive and Professional Program for the new syllabus. Even those who have converted from the old syllabus to the new, they have to do this. So please go through that pre-examination test video in depth. I have explained everything there, so you will get a clear idea and you can easily pass this pre-examination test. Okay, and then there's a one-day orientation program. This one is for the foundation program and also for the executive people who have registered on or after 1st June 2019. Okay, so last year you must be registered on or after 1st June 2019. Before applying or enrolling for the June 2020 examination, either foundation or executive program, you must also complete this one-day orientation. Means the executive people have 2 things to complete. One thing is one-day orientation program and the pre-examination test. Pre-examination test will be online. You can do it at your home, and one-day orientation program you have to contact your chapters, because a specific chapter will be conducting as per their schedule, so you need to contact them, and it's for 1 day and you need to complete it. Then only you will be eligible to enroll for the June 20 examination. Okay, so the respective category of students are advised to successfully complete pre-examination test and one-day orientation program. So if you see, foundation program students must complete one-day orientation program, executive level students must complete one-day orientation program and pre-examination test for respective modules, and professional level students must complete their pre-examination test for respective modules. Then only they will be eligible to enroll for the June 2020 examination. I hope I am clear, and please once visit your chapters, see their website, so that you will get a good understanding of when to apply and complete it as soon as possible, right? So all the best for the foundation students, and be positive and start preparing for the June 2020 examination. Take care.